Hey guys, what's up? And it's time to do a speed test between Samsung Galaxy A30s and Honor 8X. Honor 8X comes with a Kirin 710 processor with a 4GB RAM, while the A30s comes with Exynos 7904 chipset with 4GB of RAM. So very interesting to see A30s comes with a triple cameras on the back versus a dual cameras on the Honor 8X. So let's quickly boot both of these phones up at the same time. And logo came up first faster on the A30s and Honor 8X is right behind. Both phones is running on Android 9 Pie with Samsung One UI on the A30s versus the Emotion UI 9.1 I think on the Honor 8X. Honor 8X is faster when it comes of booting up, while the A30s now it is also done about 2 or 4 second difference there when it comes of apps opening speed, and you can see not a huge difference between these devices. A30s comes with a 720p Super AMOLED display with a in-display fingerprint scanner inside the screen versus a Full HD IPS LCD display on the Honor 8X. So let's see the apps opening speed. So everything is closed up in the background like always, and the first application we have is the phone dialer, and that is faster on the Honor 8X followed by the A30s. So next up is the settings, and that is again faster on the Honor 8X. A30s is just a tiny bit slower compared to the Honor 8X. Honor 8X has a fast animation. So next up is the My Files, and that was about the same on these devices. So moving on with some more application like calculator, little bit faster on the Honor 8X followed by the A30s. So the calendar, and that is again little bit faster on the Honor 8X. A30s is right behind. So moving on with some games applications. So first we got is the Candy Crush Saga, and that is little bit faster on the Samsung Galaxy A30s followed by the Honor 8X. So next up is the Subway Surfer, and this time Honor 8X is just a tiny bit faster there, and Samsung Galaxy A30s is also right behind. So last game application we have is the Temple Run 2, and let's see. And again Honor 8X seems like faster there, and yes, it is faster than the Samsung Galaxy A30, a little bit faster there. So last opening up the application that is called as the camera, and little bit faster on the Honor 8X followed by the A30s. So let's see the internet browsing speed. I am using the Samsung internet browser on the A30s versus a Google Chrome on the Honor 8X. Same Wi-Fi network on these devices. So first website we have is the wikipedia.org, and little bit faster on the Honor 8X followed by the Samsung Galaxy A30s, little bit faster there, and you can see, and the scrolling is very smooth on both phones, and you can see same thing with zooming in out, no lag whatsoever. So next up is the Amazon.com, and Samsung Galaxy A30 is faster there, and Honor 8X is still loading, and now it is also done on both phones, and you can see, and the scrolling is very smooth on both phones, no lag whatsoever, and you can see. So let's check out the RAM measurement on both phones. 4GB of RAM versus a 4GB RAM on the A30s. So phone dialer refresh on the Honor 8X, and that is not refresh on both phones. Let's see the My Files and calculator, and again that got refresh on the Honor 8X. Refresh again refresh. About 4 or 5 application is refresh on the Honor 8X, and now it is almost 6 application is refresh on the Honor 8X and 1 refresh on the A30s so far. And we are back to the internet browser, and you can see, and overall I would say that the app's opening speed is faster on the Honor 8X as well as a 2 games application and system based application. A30s is right behind to the Honor 8X. RAM management is very good on the A30s. 1 refresh, about 4 or 5 application and almost 6 application is refreshed on the Honor 8X. So thank you so much for watching this speed test between Samsung Galaxy A30s versus Honor 8X. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Subscribe to my channel for daily tech videos and follow me on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter as well. And let me know what you guys think about this new Samsung Galaxy A30s. And I will see you guys in my next video. Peace out.